DJI Mini 5 Pro. Gimbal roll rotation. The gimbal supports roll axis rotation, allowing for angle adjustments during shooting to achieve more flexible camera movements. The gimbal roll can be used in various intelligent flight modes such as waypoints, focus track, quick shots, and hyperlapse. Combining these features allows you to explore and achieve more impressive camera movements. Automatic rotation. This section introduces automatic gimbal roll rotation. Using quick shots as an example, tap the shooting modes icon on the right side of the camera view. Select quick shots, and then select the rotate submode. Set the flight direction. Roll rotation angle and speed. Tap Start. The aircraft will fly and begin shooting automatically. Manual control. To manually control the roll rotation of the gimbal, set the button function of the remote controller first. Launch DJI Fly. Go to Control, and scroll down to Button Customization. When using RC2, by default, the combination of the C1 button and right dial controls the gimbal roll. You can also assign the gimbal roll function to other custom buttons. When using RC and 3, by default, the combination of the FN button and dial controls the gimbal roll.